Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. We are here in Boulder, Colorado, and we're getting ready to head out to do some what, honey?
Hiking!
We got a lot of hiking. We got maybe 3 trails we're gonna do today. We didn't make a video about yesterday because yesterday was all about just driving and then just maintenance on the RV, like fixing drains. What else I did? I put a new air cleaner and I had to put new trailer lights on the RV. I did things here and there to fix the RV. Nothing worthy to make a video, of course, but today is going to be a great day because we have a lot of trails ahead of us, and some of the trails are really beautiful because we saw pictures already. But yeah, we're pretty much getting ready to head out. We're going to take the old trusty Steed motorcycle, and then we're going to go for a hike. So yeah, we'll see you guys at the trailhead. Okay, so we're in the Rocky National Park right now, and it is just spectacular. You can just see mountains. We're close to a summit on this area, but it was such a beautiful drive coming up here. But yeah, so we wanted to try a couple trailheads here, but I guess the Rocky National Park is broken into multiple parks where you actually need to make reservations and all that. And we didn't make a reservation because we didn't know. But it is what it is. There's multiple trails everywhere, so we're gonna find another trail. We might go to a trail that leads to a place called Gem Lake, and it's a nice trail. But other than that, let me show you, Rocky National Park. It's really beautiful, and there's just mountains everywhere. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. Okay, so we did some driving in the national park, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, just look behind me. This is the view that we're at right now. A little bit in the valley, but it just goes so tall, and the peaks are so tall and all that. Yeah, honestly, it's such a great drive and all that.
That's gorgeous.
So we're gonna go ahead and go around the national park a little bit, see if we can try to find another trailhead that is, open without reservation and all that. But if not, we're just gonna go back to the original plan of going to Gem Lake, which is outside the national park. It's closer to the downtown, but still, it's still a nice trail. So yeah, so we're gonna go for a little drive, see if we find anything. If we don't, then we'll head to the Gem Trail. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so we found a trail, and we're on it right now. Well, the thing is, we're on the trail called Lumpy Ridge Trail that leads to Gem Lake. So we're on our way now to go see it. So got 3.6 miles of trail ahead of us, and it's pretty steep with the incline, but it's definitely pretty. Got a lot of rocks, some bare dead trees, but yeah, it is definitely a pretty walk. So we'll show you guys when we get to Gem Lake. Okay, we made it to Gem Lake, and right in front of us is it. It's pretty much just like a little secluded lake right on the top of the mountain. It really is beautiful. We'll get some more point of view when we're on top of the ridge. But yeah, the trail here was definitely not for beginners, that's for sure.
Yeah, it was pretty strenuous.
Lots of inclines and tons of steps and all that, so definitely intermediate, closer to like the hardcore, would you say?
Yeah.
You definitely want to take some breaks along the way. We took like maybe 1 or 2, and it's only a 3.6 mile trail, so but my Fitbit says it took about 2 miles to get up here, so I'm not entirely sure. Maybe that's 3.6 total, I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the top of that ridge right there. We're gonna see if we can go to the top of the ridge, and then yeah, we'll just update for you guys when we get there. See ya. Okay, we made it to Lumpy Ridge. It is just absolutely beautiful up here. You can just see for miles and miles and miles. That is actually the top. I'm not sure what mountain it is, but we are on Lumpy Ridge, or maybe Lumpy Mountain maybe. But you can see that right there is where Gem Lake is. And it is just, wow. It is awesome up here. You got Gigi right there taking some photos. So when I said that the last trail was, you know, like a mediator to like hardcore trail, getting up to this, there isn't really a trail. You just had to scale pretty much a cliff, and it was definitely tiring. So we're gonna go and have a little snack, maybe somewhere on one of these rocks, have a snack, drink some water, and just chillax until we're ready to go back down. So let us fuel up. We'll see you guys soon.
Time for snack time. I have an apple.
I have my sardines. It's like my go-to like snack food. They're so good. It's good for you too. And it's like so easy to pack. So good. Look at that view.
Beautiful. Hey guys, we just found a chipmunk and we fed him a carrot. He's right here. He's super friendly. He walked all the way up to us. Look at him. He's so cute.
Here, I'll eat a carrot with them. Good carrots. Okay, after that lovely encounter, we've pretty much finished our little snack and all that, and then we're probably gonna head down to the trail. So we're pretty much gonna show you our next stop. Our next stop is gonna be the downtown of, what's this place called again? ESTES Park?
Yeah, I think it's ESTES Park Downtown, or ESTES, yeah.
So we're gonna go down to ESTES Down Park. It was pretty cute when we were driving by, so we'll show you guys that.
After we finish our hike, of course.
Yeah, we had
We have like 2 miles back.
yeah, and you actually see our friend right there. Hey little buddy. We decided his name was Albert, so yeah, if you guys see Albert when you guys are on this trail, say hello for me, you know, I'm gonna miss him. He was very, very friendly. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the downtown. Wish us luck on scaling down this huge mountain, because it is treacherous. See ya. Okay, we are in downtown ESTES Park, and it is actually really pretty. Nice big middle green, lavender bushes growing everywhere. It is pretty. So yeah, we'll show you some shops if we see anything we like and all that, so keep you guys updated. Okay, we're approaching the downtown. It is beautiful, lots of wide sidewalks, lots of stores. you can tell it's really busy. So it's very touristy right now.
Yes.
But yeah, it's really pretty. So I definitely recommend it for anyone that wants to go downtown.
Yeah, it's cute. Lots of shops.
We're downtown right now. We got our water. And also Gigi's got our favorite ice cream flavor.
Got some Dairy Queen Choco Dip Strawberry. It is the best.
She loves it. But yeah, we walked pretty much the whole downtown. It was pretty cute. We've got cool sculptures like behind me like that. It's a great downtown. I actually, to be honest, this might be one of my favorite downtowns of all Colorado. Because we've seen Denver already.
Denver, Colorado Springs.
Yeah. And this one's really nice. It's like small town vibe, but still has a lot of things to see. Like, we probably walked this downtown. It's already been like 30-45 minutes, and we're still not done walking it the whole thing. So yeah, definitely recommend it for sure. But other than that, we're probably gonna hop on the bike and probably head home soon after we finish downtown. And then yeah, maybe we'll get some dinner going on. Right, honey? Mm-hmm. She's enjoying her ice cream.
Photo shoot tonight.
Oh yeah, that's right. Totally forgot. We have a photo shoot tonight as well. Paddleboard, like lake photo shoot, kind of, you know. How would you describe it? Like kind of scene, I guess. But yeah, hope it'll be good. So I'll show you guys that as well. So see you guys soon. Okay, we made it back to the RV. We had a little bit of dinner. It's still kind of light out, you know, closer to the sun, I guess. But we're extremely tired, and you can already tell that Gigi's already in bed. You know, we had such a long day of hiking and, you know, riding the motorcycle. Riding the motorcycle for like 4+ hours. It does take a little toll on your body. But yeah, so we already ate. We're getting ready to go to bed, and then maybe watch a little movie, maybe TV before we go to bed. But after that, we'll probably see you guys the next day. Where tomorrow we're going to be driving to Aspen or Glenwood Springs.
I'm not sure yet. We gotta decide.
We're gonna decide, but it's gonna be one of those two. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.